And as the rain comes down, some drivers are having a tough time navigating flooded streets. WREG's Melissa Moon joins us live. Melissa, what are you seeing out there?
Well, we are at Josephine and Southern, and you can see behind me this underpass at this railroad bridge is completely blocked off. Police did this in just the last half hour, and it looks like a lake under there. Earlier, there were 3 vehicles that were stuck under there. We talked to one driver. He was right at the entrance in a Nissan, a low-profile car, and said his car just stopped. When he got out, the water was up to his knees. It's likely much deeper as you go farther into that bridge, and police have blocked off both sides of this bridge for the time being. We saw some trucks going through there, but these low-profile cars were having a hard time getting through there. And if you look here on the roadways, you can see just how much water we've been getting, and you can see this drainage ditch over here just clogged up with debris. And this is a problem on many city streets. When they get the debris like this, the water cannot go in as fast. So this is a reminder to everybody that if you're not sure how deep the water is, you need to turn around. For your news leader in the University of Memphis area, Melissa Moon, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, Melissa, thank you very much. And if you would, check out this video. A viewer sent us this video from Highland near the University of Memphis. Now, you can see cars driving through water that's at least up to their tires. And by the way, as you just heard Melissa say, you are discouraged to do this when you don't know just how high the water is. April?